this channel. My name is Sai Siddharth, and in this channel I'll be doing drawing tutorials, origami tutorials and much more. Today we'll be doing the origami paper airplane Limbus. This is not the simplified one. If you want to see the simplified version, click right here to see it, and also click right here to see other planes like the Galaxy Fighter and the Psychotic Cyclone. Right, so let's do it. For this I recommend using A4 sheet or printer paper. For this paper airplane, A4 sheet will only work because that's the right measurements and the right dimensions. Right, so let's do it. Okay, as usual, we begin our paper airplane with a vertical fold, and then you do the rocket fold, bring both the edges right there. Okay, and now what we're going to be doing is you'll need a ruler for this step, a ruler and a pencil. So let me just zoom in. Yeah. So from the bottom, that is from this part till the bottom, from the bottom, take your ruler, measure 2.9, just remember that, 2.9 centimeters. We are not going to be doing 3 centimeters. We are going to be doing 2.9 centimeters. Let me show you. So it has to be perfect, you guys. This step has to be absolutely perfect. Okay, so I marked it, and now let me just zoom out. So I'll tell you why that mark did. We're gonna in the simplified version, what we did is we brought this tip till the end, but now we are gonna be bringing it to this point right here. Just zoom in. Okay. So I'm just bringing this part. We are making sure that it just goes a bit over it. It covers it just that. Okay, this part, this fold, it has to be exact, you guys. If this is not perfect, then you don't fly that really well. It will just like go up and fall down. Okay, and now we did that fold, and now as usual, not as usual, but if you have seen my simplified version, you will know what we are going to be doing. Next, we are going to be making a fold like right there, and then again, you will know if you have seen the simplified version. Turning the paper over and doing like that, so that this rocket fold sticks right in there. Okay. Right. Turn the paper over. So let me just zoom out. Yeah. So we've got that. Nice. Now what we're going to be doing is, if you have seen my simplified version, you will know this step also. Only thing is, it's even trickier. If you get past this step, you're just almost done it. So this is the most difficult step in this plane. I think it's the most difficult step I've seen in any paper airplane. So let's first, not this step of course, the next step. Let's first do the rocket fold right here and here. Make sure you see the simplified version. Then you'll understand what I'm trying to say. So after that, fold it right there. So it will like kind of bend right there. Now what we're going to be doing is, so this is the most difficult part, you guys. Right, let's zoom in as much as you can. So we're going to be like, we're going to be finding, in the simplified version, we just align this one, this edge with this edge. But now what we're going to be doing is, we're going to be aligning the bisector of both these lines, of the center line and this line, with this. So that's pretty difficult, but let's just try to do it. Okay, and now just randomly just start by folding it. Just fold it and fold it until you get the perfect size. So what you should do is, when you're folding it, make sure that you start from the tip. It will be easier. So just make your way till the end. So when you're folding it, make sure it aligns with both this one as well as this one. Since it's the bisector, it means that it's a line that divides face equally in half. It's pretty tricky. Just trying to do it. Alright, so almost done. That's it, you guys. It's okay if a part right here sticks out. So let me just show you what I did again. open it. Okay, now I did this. I did a fold right here. That's what we're going to be aligning. I brought it right till here and I aligned it with this line, and make sure this line also aligns with that edge, and I just creased it. So as you can see, we've got our bisector, and most importantly, make sure that your tip is sharp. Mine is not that sharp, but that's okay for it. Right, now that's good. Now we are going to be bringing this edge to the center. I know that's a lot of folds, a lot of instructions. Just bear with me, guys. Okay, so that's it. And now bring this here, and we're going to be doing the same thing. And now it's easier after we did this line. We're going to align this with this line, this edge right here, like that. And now we're just going to bring this line back here, like this. It's really easy after you've done the first wing, and then just slowly, really slowly start aligning it. The paper might tear or even crush right here, this part, so be really careful. What I say always is, first see the video step by step, then do it, so you'll know what you're doing. Okay, and now you got that, so we're going to be following this again right here to the center like we did earlier. Alright guys, make sure the tip is sharp, it needs to be sharp. Alright, so we got that. Here's zoom out. This is a really cool plane. It's not just cool looking, it flies really well. It can fly 100 feet. Okay, now just turn the paper over. If there's a pocket right here, pocket not this way but this way, that means you have done it correctly. Like if you keep it like this and just fold it like that, you got an ice cream, sort of. Alright, let's just keep going. Right, fold it in half, and now what we're going to be doing is, now that we made a fold right here, since it's obviously the bisector of this and this, obviously when you're folding, when you're trying to align with this and this will be the center. So just when you're folding it, use this as your reference. Make sure that the entire plane is sharp. So it's pretty long plane with huge wings. That's why we're going to need 3 stabilizers. By 3, I'll tell you what. Turn in the paper and mirror imaging that exact same thing. Fold it. So it should be it's pretty aerodynamic, not that much. It's like out of 5 I'll rate it 3.7. That much it's aerodynamic, but it should be pretty symmetrical. Not the plane that I am doing, of course. Okay, let me just zoom out. Alright, so you got like this, a plane like this. Let me just show you. Yeah, that's cool, I know. Alright, now let's do the stabilizers. But before that, let's do the third stabilizer, or the rudder, I guess. Okay, and now we're going to be making a crease from this point to this point, right there. So crease it really well, and now turn the paper over and do the exact same thing here also. Okay, after you've done that, just push this, start by pushing it slowly and inserting it in there. So what you've done is you've created a rudder. Okay, and this should be exactly in the middle. That is, I'm just trying to tell that both these wings should be exact in size. Alright, so far so good. Let's just keep going. Just a second, just adjusting one thing. Okay. Alright guys, now let's do the stabilizers. Not too big, pretty big, but not too big. Okay, and now mirror imaging the exact same thing. Okay, so that's it guys, it's done. The Limbus is ready. So the most important thing when you're launching this is, it's pretty difficult to launch exactly, perfectly. Okay, make sure that the wings, first thing, make sure that the wings are not curved like this and curved like this upwards. Okay, and then while you're launching this, launch it in a really big area. If it crashes and the tip just gets bent, you just have to do another rocket. It's waste of paper, so you guys should be eco-friendly. Right, next thing, while you're launching it, make sure you hold it right here after this line. Hold it right there. Just a slight normal throw will do. Okay, you can throw it pretty fast, but not too fast. The most important thing you have to see when your plane is flying is, if the wings are like not like this and like this, a bit tilted upward, then it's flying perfectly. There are two modes in this. You can either have it like this, throw it like this, or you can open these wings. So as you can see, there's an extra opening right here. You can open that, hold it under, and also throw. I had good experience with both of them, so have fun, you guys. Thank you guys for watching. So if you want to see some of my other videos, click right here, my airplane videos. If you want to subscribe to my channel, click right here. If you want to see my latest video, click right here. And if you want to see the playlist of all the rockets that I've created, click right here. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video.